Power tool companies have discovered USB-C, and DeWalt's two-way charger sounds awesome. Oh, this is good. I'm glad they did. Mo likes this story. He stopped doing
Discovered USB-C seems like they're like living in the Stone Age.
Well, they are. I mean, it's power tools, right? Their product development cycle is a lot slower than consumer electronics, right? It takes time because it's like proprietary. Like people they've already got a bunch of batteries for their setup,
and
if you are going to go and change the connector, you know, they might be pissed if you're doing it all the time. Granted, with USB-C, I think no one would have complained had they been sooner. So, so anyway, this is what their little battery pack looks like, I guess. Power tool batteries are some of the densest lithium-ion packs lying around your house. Well, I mean, you get a lot of power in one of those guns. Ryobi and DeWalt are testing the waters with USB-powered battery options, and one of them looks seriously neat. It's easy to argue that Ryobi has taken the idea the furthest. Manufacturers to stick a USB-C charge port on the battery itself, letting you use the same charger to top up your power tool as you use on your laptop.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
That's cool. And that's like
this is a battery bank, essentially.
Oh, wow, that's really cool.
USB lithium, and then you slap the whole thing, I guess, goes into your tool of choice. As you can see, it's a whole
array.
It's a whole system of tools, from like a little drill to a screwdriver. That other unit, it looks like a
Dremel.
It looks like a Dremel.
The battery's really small too. It's really not that big.
They kind of criticized it by saying that it's these tools are fairly weak, but eventually you'll be able to power. You know,
well, this is not the pro stuff. This is the stuff targeted at
me.
Yeah, like your average nerd.
Just
your average geek. No, because if you're going to start with a USB-C power tool, you're not going to market to someone who's putting up 30 sheets of drywall.
Right. They don't care.
In an hour.
Yeah.
Right. That's not. You got to go for the casual guy first, and then hopefully it makes its way. But as you can see, this DeWalt 20-volt max USB charge adapter is kind of a beast. That thing looks a little more serious. It comes with a bidirectional 100-watt USB-C PD port, so you can charge batteries or your laptop from this like rugged unit. So that's kind of nice.
Yeah,
it'll get there, Mo.
This is cool. No, word will spread. You know, most if you buy tools, you're telling your friends what tools you buy.
There you go.
You always do.
You talking about Tool Talk?
Tool Talk.
Talking about Tim the Toolman Taylor?
Okay.
That's before your time, guys. Believe it or not, Mo's only 17 years old.
Yeah.